If you don't pay attention, this prep center is going to ruin your Amazon FBA business. I talked about them a couple of months back with my prep center horror story. Yes, we are going to talk a little bit about ShipDiff again, but they changed their name, okay? If you are actually going to, let's go, let me open a new, right here, a new tab. If you go to shipdiff.com, you'll notice that it's going to redirect you to another website, which is portlandprepcenter.com. So these motherfucker think they slick. I'm going to stay on your ass because you are just a bad prep center. All right. So I've been, you guys know, yes, I have glasses today because this video is pretty serious. Okay. If you guys don't know, like, I've been back in the US. I came back in the US 2-3 days ago. And by the way, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, such as this one, okay? For me to make sure that you guys actually get some success on Amazon and do not make the same mistakes that I make. And I teach a lot of stuff. So subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of them, okay? But yeah, I just got back to the US. I was away from the US for 9 months, and so I delegated the prep to this prep center that was ShipDiff, that was called ShipDiff. Now they are changing their name because I guess maybe, you know, because I made a video on them, like a review, and it was actually ranking third, right below them on Google when you were actually looking for them. So that might be one of the reasons. I don't know, because the video does not have that many views. It has 300 plus views, but you know, it was 7 months ago, and it may be one of the reasons why it happened. So, okay, I'm not sure I'm going to say this, but whatever. So yes, I was out of the US for 9 months, and so I delegated my prep to them at the beginning, and things did not work well. And if you want more information on that, you know, you can actually look at the video. I have 2 videos on ShipDiff. But whatever, I know they are changing their name. And, you know, I just came back to the US, and so for 9 months, I did not handle my returns, so I was unable to see if some things were wrong with the products that they sent and all that stuff. And boy, was I right. Like, they fucked up a lot of the things, and I'm just starting to uncover things that they actually fucked up and things that can be pretty dangerous, and this is why I'm actually pissed off, and this is why I'm actually making this new video, staying on their ass to make sure that you know everything that you need to know about this trash-ass prep center. So what happened pretty much, so as I told you, like, I'm just getting through the returns that I had for the last 9 months because I had no company taking care of my returns. All my returns were shipped right there in Miami while I was traveling overseas, and so they were stacking up over here, okay? And I just want to show with you one thing, okay, one product that they prepped for me, and it's some sort of pop socket, okay? It's some sort of pop socket. You know the pop socket, the thing that you put on the back on your phone. And here's the thing that I'm actually pissed off about, okay? You may have seen it, but yeah, they actually let the stickers with the Kohl's barcode with Kohl's on it on the product, okay? You can see that the product is from Kohl's, okay? You can see it right there. And it is actually quite dangerous because customer can actually get pissed off. You can get bad reviews, and if it was FBM, it's not FBM, but like people could actually complain that you're doing drop shipping, and I don't know if it can happen if you do FBA, if people can actually complain of this, but like drop shipping stuff like this, you know, this is just looking for troubles. This is just looking for troubles, and you can get your account suspended for bullshit like this, okay? And I also need to go through a whole lot of other returns that I received from them, and because I told you, I think that they messed up sizes in between product. I need to look at if they shipped some clinic product. I talked a little bit about that in a previous video, but yeah, like, I'm going to stay on their ass because like what they are doing is just not okay. Let me just put this right there. Here we go. What they are doing is just not okay. You know, you cannot be this lazy. You cannot do this and fuck up your client's account. Okay, so let's just look quickly. So as I said, yeah, right now they are not called ShipDiff anymore, okay? Because if you go on their website, and ShipDiff is going to redirect you to their new website, okay, which is portlandprepcenter.com, okay? And apparently they only have great reviews. They've prepped 4 million plus items. They have 200 plus clients, 99.97% prep accuracy. I highly doubt that their prep accuracy is 99.97%, okay? Because a lot of things were wrong with on my account, at least. And maybe your experience was different. But not only you guys, okay, not only these people make a lot of mistakes when they prep inventory. Not only they actually try to take advantage of you by charging you some extra fees that, you know, they did not outline to you, or like they actually try to charge you fees on product that they are not supposed to charge you fees, and so you need to, you know, be aware of that. But also, and I talked about that in a video in the past, and it's actually one of my subscribers that actually alarmed me of this situation. They are selling themselves on Amazon under the name ShipDiff, okay? So, you know, and I think that it's not something that you should do if you want to be a big prep center. It is immoral to actually do this, because you pretty much see all the products that your customer actually buy. You see where they buy it from, so you can get a pretty good idea of how to do this. And the thing is that it's the exact same business, so not only... like, it's just wrong. Like, it's just wrong. And it should show you, like, do not go and work with this prep center. And just to talk to you guys a little bit about what happened with me and the reason why I actually stopped working with them and actually got a new prep center during the summer, is because they were prepping clinic, and I need to check if I have some of these products laying around to see if they lied or not. But they were pretty much saying that, you know, it's a product that I've been prepping myself for a long time. It was a clinic, you cannot say clinic anymore, so there's no, I don't care if you know which lead it is, but it's like, you know, the 4.3 oz clinic, how is it called? The clinic, it's some sort of lotion, right? I forgot the name of the product. This product was on sale on Macy's, and I've been prepping this product a lot myself. I bought a ton of units, I sent them to them, and pretty much whenever a product is liquid and it's not packaged in a box, they are charging you an extra $1. Okay, it was the case before. I don't know if it's still the case. And by the way, I'm saying all this. If I'm lying, ShipDiff, you are free to come. You have the right to respond. Okay, you can come on the channel. We can come. We'll record a video and we'll have you respond on the channel. Okay, on the same medium if you want to. But I maintain what I'm saying. You are a trash ass prep center, and people should not actually come work with you. Okay, but yeah, so. Let's say, okay, let's take this, okay? Let's imagine that this is the clinic product. So since it's liquid and it's not double, if it's not double sealed, okay, they are going to charge you an extra $1, except if it's packaged in another box, okay? I know for a fact that this product from clinic is actually packaged in a small box. It was actually packaged in a small box, and they tried to tell me that it was not, okay? And I said, okay, maybe you're right. Maybe that, you know, from this promotion, from this specific promotion from Macy's, they are not actually sending the product in the packaging. They are just sending the bottle by themselves. Maybe you're right. But I said, you know what? Let me ask my friend that actually has another prep center to ask their prep center to see if the products came packaged in a box, because it would be weird that, you know, this product, not only this product, like usually these products always come packaged in a box, in a small packaging, and so you know, it's already weird that coming from Macy's, they actually removed the product from the box and they just shipped the bottle. It would be weird, but let me just double check. And let me actually ask one of my friends that has been prepping it itself as well, and that has his prep center that prepped this item from the same promotion. And let's ask them. I asked my friend to ask his prep center to see if the product was actually coming in a packaging or not. And they confirmed to me that the product actually came in a clinic packaging that did not ship the bottle by themselves, right? So they actually tried to charge me, and I do not remember how much it was, but it was $1 extra per unit, and I probably bought 100 units. So they charged me $100 more on my prep bill that they were supposed to charge me, okay? And at the end of the day, I was actually reimbursed, because I actually asked them, and I said, like, this is some bullshit, like, just reimburse me, right? And this is why I actually stopped working with them, you know, because they are dishonest, and you do not want to work with a prep center that is dishonest. So yeah. It used to be ShipDiff. No, they changed their name, and it's Portland Prep Center. So if you want a prep center, do not work with Portland Prep Center. They are dishonest. If it's still the same management, they are dishonest. They are fucking up a lot of things. They do not care about how they prep your items. Here you go. And yeah, do not work with them. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Watch this video if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.